Salt making, one of humanity's oldest industries. For millennia, salt has crystallized from brine, sustaining the very pulse of civilizations. Today, as part of the global dual carbon initiative, this age-old practice is embracing a green rebirth. As a key player in the sector, Shandong Feicheng Salt Factory has honed its salt-making craftsmanship for over 3 decades. Yet, its annual electricity consumption of more than 220 million kilowatt-hours poses a challenge to the factory's sustainable development.
As a national designated salt producer, we hold fast to supply stability and green development. With plenty of idle rooftops, we explore forward-looking low-carbon paths via PV.
With the help of APsystems microinverters, Feicheng Salt Factory's BIPV project was successfully completed. 1,177 QT2D units work with 9,619 PV modules, generating 5 meters kilowatt-hours yearly, all used for salt production, achieving zero curtailment. Seen as an industrial green model, it uses 20-amp high-current microinverters plus high-efficiency BIPV, going beyond traditional limitations. From roofs to carports and walls, the system integrates like a power puzzle, realizing installation wherever possible.
We never thought PV fits vertical walls. BIPV opened new possibilities and boosts space use. It also improves roof or wall insulation, waterproofing, and extends building life.
When PV systems become buildings' skin, they do more than generate electricity, they also ensure safety and efficiency. APsystems QT2D microinverters, with module-level low-voltage input, give the factory's BIPV built-in safety foundation. Building on this, its module-level independent operation plus MPPT effectively fixes power gap, avoiding the bottleneck effect and unlocking every PV module's full potential. The salt factory's long-term exposure to high salt spray and moisture, its unique environmental conditions, places strict demands on the durability of PV plants. The QT2D, equipped with full potting encapsulation technology and an IP67 protection rating, create a dual protective barrier, effectively withstanding highly corrosive environments and the long-term durability. Its 25-year lifespan matches PV modules perfectly. With module-level intelligent monitoring, it pinpoints faulty modules, cutting BIPV, O&M costs and complexity, and supporting long-term PV operation reliably.
After the plant's completion, we use self-generated green power. Lower electricity costs and obvious carbon reduction results give us confidence in the dual carbon strategy.
From age-old salt making to clean energy, PV empowers salt factories. Technology supports China's dual carbon goals. May every historic factory become a model for traditional industry transformation. APsystem, gathering the power of light to support a greener future.